Hey everybody, it's Rulon Brown from Key Leaves. Saxophonist Jay Boykin, great player, and he brought his cannonball curved soprano. Check out how he is using key leaves on the low C sharp. It just goes in and it pivots around wherever he wants it to play nice with the case. Just sets in, opens that without touching the leather. It just touches the resonator and the tone hole, and by doing that, it also opens the G sharp key to drive, because the C sharp and the G sharp are connected. So Jay's horn now, I mean, you were saying earlier.
Yeah, about every other time I pull the sax out of the case, you know, it's like a key is stuck or sticking, and now, you know, hopefully we remedy the product now. That problem we had, and now we're rolling.
Yeah. Check out Jay Boykin, man. You can find him at jboykinsax.com, and keep playing, guys. Leave your keys open to dry, and check out. You're on Instagram.
Absolutely, Instagram. Also, I have a station on Pandora. You guys can go check out. Jay Boykin is my name. Check me out. Love you guys.
All right.
Key Leaves.